What's ML operations?
Yeah, exactly. So what ML operations for someone who doesn't know machine learning, and exactly like how is it deployed, and what do they need in order to have it work efficiently and correctly?
Yeah, so I think it's originated from DevOps. So it's like how to put software in production in an efficient way. So you have the whole automation around code development, so that when you develop something, it will be quickly deployed in production. So you have all these CI/CD pipelines and the automation of that part. And you need that as well in the ML project, because you also have code. But on top of that, the specificity is that you have this model. And the model is something fixed, like a bit of a misconception, I think, is like people think that a model is kind of magical. It will auto-train and it will auto-learn and it will do all these magic things. But actually, I'm sorry, it doesn't. And you need to put some work into it. And why is it important that it will keep learning is because, well, these are changes, especially for this type of use cases that we are discussing. Well, the platform may change, new features come, other users as well come, and the behavior change. But also think about just like the crisis in 2008 or the Ukraine war. All these type of things affect your model. And so the model needs to keep learning those patterns to be up to date, to provide accurate predictions. And that means that you actually have to put into code and deploy the whole development, but in a kind of an automated way, so that it would go over all these steps again. So defining the target, so creating the features, doing all the feature selection, everything we just discussed, evaluating the metric. All these type of steps needs to be automated into pipeline and rerun automatically every month or every time that we were discussing data drift. It's a bit maybe advanced, but you could even think, oh, when there is a change in my data, I want to re-trigger the learning part